Hello beautiful Scorpios, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani, and today we are going to do a no contact reading for Scorpio sign. This is a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, please reach out to me. Okay, in this reading we will see your energies of your person, what is blocking this connection and the advice for you, and also the overall energy in this connection. Alright, so let's see what do the cards have. Alright, the current energy in this connection where the Scorpio and the person they are not in contact with, but the person is in their mind somehow 24/7, even every now and then. Alright. Okay. Magician. You and your person both are working on their focused on your work, trying to build up your skill. Try to focus on how you can make the best of what talent or skill you have, and basically trying to focus on your work. And also you're very confident that whatever it is, it will happen, and you need to now focus on your work and be the best at it. Okay, surrendering everything to the universe. There is a spiritual support you or your person is having, and now it's like advice for you. Basically what spiritually you might be getting that intuition that you need to focus on your work on your skills, and upgrade your own knowledge and skills and whatever, so that you can grow in your life. So basically energy of being focused on work instead of focusing on this connection. What does this person think about you, Scorpio? What does this person think about you? What does this person think about you? Person you're not in contact with. What does this person think about you, Scorpio? Alright, it's a Lover's card. I cannot show it on the screen, but I will definitely read it out. That the person here is, see, it's a Lover's card. So there is so much of physical attraction. Okay, there is so much of physical attraction. Either you or your person has so much of physical attraction here, and so much of passion. Basically there may be some obstacles, but it's like, instead of actual feelings, I think either you or your person is so much physically attracted towards you that they are kind of obsessively thinking about you. Alright, let's see what does this person feel for you. Do they actually they actually have feelings of love towards you, or it's just a physical attraction? What does this person feel for you, Scorpio? What does this person feel for you? What does this person feel for you? What does this person feel for you? Alright. Okay. We'll clarify Three of Wands before I start describing the card. Three of Wands, please. This person's feeling towards a Scorpio. Okay, the person feel you are a magician. You know what you want in your life, and the person also feels like you are spiritually so much aligned, and you are so much intuitive, and you know very well what you want in your life. And they are kind of obsessed with this feeling that how confident and how intuitive you are. They basically like that energy about you, and they basically are thinking about you all the time, that what is happening with you, and are they part of your manifestation. So it's like they are kind of analyzing the situation from afar, basically seeing you from a distance. Maybe they might be seeing you through your social media, or through mutual connections, but they are kind of observing you about what you are up to, what you are going, what you are doing, what you're working on, right? So it's kind of they are thinking about you, and they basically feel for you is the passion, not it's a physical attraction as was shown in the Lover's card, but they definitely like that energy which you have in you, and the kind of intuitively you are so connected, and the kind of you put the energy into whatever you are. So they are kind of basically obsessed about this thing, about you. They are basically obsessed about you for your this thing, but they know that the situation is over. It's a very difficult thing to deal with, but somehow they know it's a very difficult, difficult time. But it also makes it even more difficult for this person, knowing that the situation is over. They have lost a queen basically. All right, the queen, the person, you have everything, like you have so much love to give, and this person cannot have it. And that is why this person is kind of observing, analyzing the situation from afar, and knowing that it is over. They whatever they had, maybe they have whatever they got in this connection till now, or whatever they used to feel about you till now, it's all shattered, because somehow, somewhere they know that they are not the one you are basically working on right now. You are working on your own growth, you are working on your own manifestation, you are working on your spiritual alignment, you are working on your intuition, but not on this connection. And that is why they are kind of seeing you from afar, and just trying to observe whether they should reach out to you or not, because they don't know if they reach out, what kind of response or reaction they will get. It might be a transformation thing for them, right? That you have moved on in your life. Yeah, you have so much of energy to give, and this person is kind of focusing on lack. They are kind of closed off. All right, and I also feel for some of you Scorpio, that you are also closed off. Like whatever has happened earlier, you are kind of now not looking at the other opportunities. Instead, you are focusing on the negativity, and whatever happened in the past, you are focusing on that. So you need to focus on the new options. You need to change your perspective and see things from a different angle. And that is why the connection here is blocked, because you are kind of focusing on negativity, not on what you have to offer and what the other person near you might offer you. You are not focusing on it. Let's see what is going to happen in next 10 to 15 days. Can you expect a communication from this person? Can you expect a communication from this person? Will this person reach out to you, Scorpio, in next 10 to 15 days? Will this person reach out to you, Scorpios, next 10 to 15 days? Will this person reach out to you in next 10 to 15 days? Oops. Yeah, you can expect a communication coming in, because this person is not able to sleep properly. This person is not able to sleep properly, thinking you are already involved with other people or in other things in your life, and that is why this person is overthinking. Yeah, expect a communication. It may be a very open, honest, and maybe bit of harsh communication, but there is a communication I see coming towards you, Scorpio. Let's see what is the advice for you, Scorpio, here. What is the advice for you here, Scorpio? What is the advice for you, Scorpio? You just want one card. Okay, listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition and come out of this defensive mindset. Your intuition knows, okay, what you want to do, what you want to focus on. All right, so listen to your intuition, connect with your higher self, connect with your spiritual side, and listen to your intuition. You might get to know something which will be very important for you to come at a conclusion. At the same time, you have to come out of this defensive mindset. You have to stop explaining people. You do not have to be, you do not have to prove your worth, your love to everybody by putting efforts. Okay, so just try to stop pleasing people around you. Try to make them understand your worth. You do not have to focus on it. You have to focus on your intuition, and your intuition knows, and it is guiding you. You just have to connect with it. Okay, so that's the energy for you, Scorpio. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.